Welcome back everyone to some part of the restoration of the FJ45.
This is the part 11.
Part 11, as the cameraman noted. So, as you've seen in the previous episodes, we started the body work on the hood, roof, fenders, a couple of stuff here and there. We welded the floor pan. So today, what we will gonna do is we're gonna finish the body work, which is laying the bondo down, filling all the gaps
On the roof.
on the roof, on the hood. Then we will be grinding the welds on the floor pan, fixing the installation issue, the alignment issue on the back of the cab. We're gonna weld in the lining tubes that goes to line the back of the cab to the cab, and hopefully land some epoxy on the bare metal stuff. Does this sound like a plan? Am I making a plan? Oh, we've never done that before.
So let's get started.
Guys, so as you can see, we dropped down the roof and we started laying down some body footing. Okay guys, so as for the back of the cab, as you can see, it's not actually sitting down where it's supposed to be sitting, because we accidentally made this piece a little bit wider. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be adjusting this side. Hopefully the other side will align by fixing this side. So let's go take a peep on the So this side needs to be grinded down and yep. Guys, so as you saw, we made some fine adjustments. But before we're gonna weld anything in, we're gonna test fit it first on the car. Guys, so come take a quick peek at the genuine Toyota production stuff. Now you might say, looks like junk.
It is junk.
It is junk, but I'm pretty proud of it because, as you guys have already know, over that is stick welding, and you cannot use a stick welder on thin metal, but that's what we have. And that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, anyone who have ever worked on cars or know anything about cars know that this is junk. So this, no shop on the whole world would do the stuff that we are doing. It's not fixable. It's time consuming, and it's gonna add a lot of labor hours on the job. So it's easier and cheaper to take it out, throw it away, put a new one in. But if you're doing it for yourself on your own, it's not cheaper. $5 for the stick welds, $50 for the welder. This costs about $2,000. So, also guys, we did not find a clean replacement part. Every used part in the junkyard that we went to was rusty. If not as this, it's more. It's more rusty than this piece. So if I'm gonna buy a rusty piece to fix it, I did fix my rusty piece. So why would I spend money for nothing? So that's what we did. That's what I would do again if I was in the same circumstance. So got that right. Guys, so now we are fabricating piece that goes on this, the edge. Okay guys, so I think you can assume what I'm gonna do next. So I'm gonna be welding on the floor again. Have fun watching me weld some more on the floor. I forgot my glove. Guys, I'm gonna take back every single word about stick welding that I've said. Stick welding is the best type of welding out there. You can weld thin metal, thick metal, junk metal, rusty metal, any type of metal. It's perfect. Come take a look. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. This is all stick welding goodness. Come and take a peek over here. Sure. This is all stick welding. Show them these glasses. This is all stick welding. Oh yeah. We've done this piece that we showed you earlier. Goes on the edge of the back of the cab where the lining thing goes to. Now we're making the piece for the other side too. This is gonna blend like so. It's gonna have a hold The lining tube poked through like my finger. Ow! It's still hot. You can feel the radiation coming out of. Guys, so now we're gonna weld in the guiding tubes or this thing that goes like this, guiding tube or a lining tube, call it whatever you want. Guys, so we got this pipe welded in. Yes,
The other
it's
side.
Plumber's pipe.
Don't tell them.
Oh no! Oh! A specialty made by Toyota to replace the guide pin.
This side is done, I guess.
It's done somehow. Everything needs some cleaning up to do, so
However, this is a major progress over here.
Bobby,
Go back home, you cat.
Bobby.
Come back.
Oh wait! Okay guys, so we've made a lot of progress today. So what we got done is we welded the floor, finally, fully welded in. We welded the back of the cab, fully welded in, with the pipes, guidelines, and it's sitting on its place. Still needs some cleanup, that's what we're gonna do in the next video. And We got the roof all bundled, ready to sand. Now, in the next video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work some more on the back of the cab. Then we wanna flip the floor pan. We're gonna get into looking at what does this need. We don't know the windshield frame, if it's good, if it's bad, if it's rotten. Hopefully not. Just needs a little bit of cleaning. Then we're gonna prep every part, like the floor, the brakes, the back of the cab. What else? Miscellaneous stuff around the whole truck for epoxy. That's what you're gonna see in the next video, hopefully. Now we have reached the end of this video. As you can see, it's night. So hopefully you liked what you saw today. It was a major progress for us. It was very fun and a lot of weight we took off our shoulders. So thank you a lot for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.